Here in Southern Preserve today, and we are finally getting to do a little bit of work at our own personal home. We had an ice storm back in October of 2000, I think it was, and we had this amazing backyard and it just destroyed all of it. We cleaned up quite a bit, but there's still a lot of damage over here in the creek, and I'm really excited to finally get started on this project. They got the skid steers and all the equipment out. And let me show you the before of what we're gonna do. There's my nice birthday gift that I got this year as an aside. It's so cool. Perviance metal, and I'll link it below, but they're in Oklahoma and they actually took the deer off of our deer cams. So this is John's deer. This is Skyscraper, and I don't know what he's named the other one. Isn't that so cool? We're gonna have a lot of firewood after today. Let me give you a little tour. I'm gonna get all this junk cleared up so we'll be able to see down into that area. We've got mulchers. There they go.